Here we have a pretend play coffee maker that allows kids to play like they are making a cup of coffee in one of those single-use coffee makers. This one says Bosch on the front, has an on-off switch located at the bottom, and a water reservoir on the side. But you just simply pour in some water or other liquid. Watch as it spills into the cup below. One nice thing about this particular model is that it does not require any batteries. As you can see, the lid is missing from this water reservoir. The on-off switch only clicks. And I'm not sure what's going on with this. Sometimes it opens and closes smoothly, sometimes not. I'm thinking the button on top has something going on with it.